Priyanshu, confirm once again. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible clearly.
Okay. Rajat, Dia, everyone, am I audible? Good evening.
Jai yes, Shri Ram, Rajat. Your voice clear, sir.
Okay. Jai Shri Ram, Rajat, and
good evening, sir.
Good evening. Dia, am I audible? Karan, Priya, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Feeling so good, man, after so many days.
Yeah, sir, we are.
Really feeling good. Okay, guys, it's better to speak everything because I will record everything. So that some students, actually, they are not able to join the meeting. So in this meeting, your video and your audio and my audio, everything is being recorded. Because whoever is not attending today's session because they are busy, someone is having exam and lot of things, so I'll be recording everything. Many people, it's 9 p.m. They should join. Actually, 2 students are not able to join because they have some other stuff, so we can start because this time is only for 30-40 minutes. We can start now. So whoever is available here, let's start with them. So I'll start with Dia. Dia, you tell me how's the preparation going on and what are the difficulties you are facing, and what kind of guidance you are looking from my side for this last 20 days. Dia, let's start.
Yeah. Okay, sir. And good evening, first of all.
Very good evening, Dia.
Sir, my preparation is like not that which I am expecting or anyone else would expect. I am lagging in concept. Like I forgot what concept I should apply in the question. So I have to see like what should I use and all.
Okay. And how is your topic-wise test series? Is your performance okay there?
No, I haven't attempted. Like only the PDFs you have uploaded in Drive, that much I have seen.
Oh, you mean you have only done assignments, you have not done test series yet?
Yes, sir.
So, like, you mean you have not done any test series or only topic-wise test series?
No, I have not done test series.
Oh man, there are...
Like, I have opened the videos.
Okay, there are 288 test series and you should be...
Yes, sir.
So when are you planning to finish? Because we have topic wise, subject wise and full length and a lot of things are there to cover. And see, in every test series you have solution and this test series is having solution. So you will learn lot of new things from test series also.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Honestly, actually, I will require, like, I was not attending the test series because, like, my mindset was, I am not able to, like, I have to see the solution or concept in the assignments and how should I jump to test series, like, that was my...
Okay. So,
yes.
So you said like you are not able to apply your concepts in questions, right?
Yes, sir.
But when you see solution, you are able to understand that.
Yes, sir.
So what is the root cause? Why why are you lagging when you are seeing the question? I feel that this happens when we don't have enough practice.
Okay, sir.
And but Dia, one more thing, you are not asking doubts also. Like roughly 32 students are asking doubts. And those 32 students are regular from last 4-5 months and they are asking regularly doubt. 1 or 2 days alternate they used to ask doubt. But Dia, you are not asking doubts. Why? Like, are you not giving enough time?
That may be one problem, sir, but like from a month I was dedicated. But same I said, like, if I see, I understood it. But I can't think from my mind.
Yeah, I am getting that when you are seeing the question, you are not able to solve the question. So my question is, from long time you are solving assignments, and but still you are having same problem. And my thing is, you are not asking doubts also. Like throughout the year, you have not asked doubts. So why was that? If you are solving assignments, you should have doubts, right? Because in assignments we have very good questions. So
No, sir. I have started last 1 or 2 months before only solving assignment.
oh, okay. You have joined late also, right, Dia?
Yes, sir. Not that late.
You joined in which month?
So 1 month mostly late. Not even 1 month.
Oh, you joined in March month or something, right?
In February.
Okay, in Feb end itself. Okay, then you are okay, fine. Then you have joined on correct time. Fine, it's been 1 year.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But Dia, your problem is
Yes.
actually like you have to solve test series now, because in test series you have very good questions. See here, roughly 20 days are remaining. Today is 16th. So 14 days in this month
Yes.
and 10 days there. So roughly 20 days are there. In 20 days, even if you are solving every day 10 test series, then in 20 days you will not be able to finish. I mean, you will be able to finish roughly 200. All 288 test series you will not be able to finish.
Yes, sir.
So I will suggest you, you solve only two types of test series. You solve topic wise test series, and then you solve full length test series. Don't solve chapter wise and any subject wise test series. Okay, you only solve topic wise test series,
Okay.
because your topic will be very strong if you are solving topic wise test series. And one more thing, if you are solving topic wise test series and you are not getting very good rank after solving topic wise test series, don't be panic. Learn solution from the topic wise test series. Okay, and that solution also you note
Yes.
down. Yes, and in some questions I'll be giving video solution, so that solution also you take down, revise. That means every day you solve test series, every day you revise also. And one more thing, in full length test series you should finish every single test series, because in full length very good questions are there, and topic wise and full length. So this is my only advice for you. Only topic wise test series you solve, and full length test series you solve. When you are solving test series, don't feel that you should score better in the test series, because your preparation is not good. So solve test series only for the learning purpose, that after submitting this test series you are going to learn from the solution. Okay, this is for you, Dia. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, one last thing, like what is your preparation about formulas? Are you able to recall all the formulas properly or not?
70%.
70%. And which subject you are not confident?
Which subject? I think propulsion.
Propulsion you are not confident.
Yes.
Okay. And structure?
Better than propulsion.
No. My question is, which subject you are not comfortable yet? Propulsion you said. So I am asking, what about structure? Are you comfortable with the structure?
Yes, sir. Like, understandable. Okay.
Okay, fine. Okay. Thanks, Dia. Now you can listen others' discussion, or if you feel bored when others are discussing, you can leave the meeting. Everyone can do the same. Okay. Now let's discuss with Abhishek. Abhishek, let me know about you. I will start, like, how much portion you have covered with this question, and what difficulty you are facing.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, Abhishek, you're audible.
Yes, sir. Where should I start, sir?
You let me know how much portion you have completed properly.
Aptitude I have covered, sir. Maths I have covered. Flight mechanics almost done, sir. Space dynamics I have covered. Rocket propulsion I have covered. In structures I have completed strength of materials and vibration, except 2D vibration. Thin wall sections I just know, like, very basic things, like shear strength, shear center, torsion torsion in pinwall section. Other than that, I didn't study for bending and shear flow in pinwall section, sir.
Okay.
And propulsion, I have completed all engines, AFC and AFT. Centrifugal compressor, I'm still not comfortable, sir. Like I just know the formula, basic things, but I'm not still able to visualize it properly, completely. But if any easy question comes, I will be able to solve it, sir.
Just wait here. What is difficulty you are facing in CFC?
I like AFC, I'm able to visualize it, sir, but CFC, I don't know like how exactly it works. Like impeller, those hub and tip and hub, how like fixed and the CFC, those things are not.
Okay, then have you seen that 3D animation video what I have?
Like I have seen everything, sir, like NPTEL, your video, but still like I'm facing issues in CFC, sir. Like I will go through it one more time.
Fine. So you do one thing. Tomorrow we'll have personal meeting for 10-15 minutes, and because you are very good student and anything you should not miss. So CFC lesson, first you do one thing. You work. I mean you do your homework on CFC, and then why you are not able to visualize something or whatever is your problem in CFC. We will discuss tomorrow itself. Fine. So tomorrow evening time, any time we will assign 10-15 minutes for your CFC thing. Okay. Okay. And what about aerodynamics and flight mechanics? Yeah.
Aerodynamics, for fluid mechanics, like on that I have said like fluid properties, hydrostatic force, kinematics, boundary layer, and one more topic, dimensional analysis and similarity. These topics I have covered in fluid mechanics, and potential flow I have completed, and incompressible flow I have completed, but I need to revise it. Like it's been a long time. The thinner coil theory, everything, and compressible flows I have completed, sir. Like, all formulas are there in my head, but it's been long time since I have like practiced. But I think I can still solve it.
Okay. And have you completed all theorems and laws of aerodynamics? Like you remember I took class in the last, in aerodynamics, the last portion was about different laws and theorems. Have you completed that?
Which laws?
Like for example, Prandtl-Lifton line theory, Gupta-Joukowski theorem, and transformations.
Those things, like in order I have completed, sir, for incompressible, Gupta-Joukowski theorem, Gupta condition, thinner coil.
Yeah. Good. That was my point. And in flight mechanics, have you finished stability part?
Stability, like yesterday I have started, sir. Like one like small topic I'm completing, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Like mostly I will complete it by like 4 days or 5 days.
So I think that you are safe side, Abhishek. So you are safe side. Tomorrow we'll meet for CFC, right? You do some homework on CFC.
Like I have one more doubt, sir. Like in accelerated flight, we have those touchdown velocity, takeoff velocity, lift-off velocity, these things like that. In formula book, it's given some value, and in book it is given like another set of values. So like lift-off velocity is equal to 1.2 of V star.
Yes.
These things are like I don't know which one to like
right.
choose. In formula book it is like 1.2, or in book it is 1.1. Something, these variations are there.
Correct. And see, actually, why different values are there? You first of all, you don't focus on those values. You focus that PDF what I have given from my side. Okay. And one more thing, why different values are coming? Because see, they don't consider some kind of length. For example, when we are having, if you talk about climb, so some people include flare in the climb itself. So that's why some little change. Yeah. In distances also we have some running distances with some people they don't consider, some people they consider. So that's why we have different values. And it is not like only 1 or 2 books. Whatever literatures we have, like we have slight different values. So don't worry about that. What PDF I have given, that is only that part you follow. In that I have given everything properly. Okay, fine, good. And in mathematics, have you done everything, all the topics?
Sir, like, that main portion, 90% syllabus, linear algebra,
Yeah,
calculus, the vector calculus, differential equation, partial differential equation. In these things, I have completed everything.
Numerical
sir.
methods?
And in that, then numerical method also I have completed.
Laplace?
Sir, but I have Laplace. I have started, sir, but right now it feels like late
Okay.
to complete Laplace.
No,
I don't know
no.
whether to like
See,
study.
no. See, I have only 1 hour video. That is sufficient for Git Aerospace. Only one.
Inverse Laplace, will they ask inverse Laplace also, or just Laplace will be fine?
No. They can ask inverse, but actually in transformation, what we are doing, what I have given you in lecture, that is sufficient. You will be safe side. Cover that.
Okay, sir. Sure.
And have you done complex number?
No, sir, I have not done, sir. Like,
Okay.
in that 10% syllabus, many things are there.
Right.
Statistics.
Yeah. Are you also planning to touch probability?
No, sir, I'm not sure. Very proud. I have completed PNC, sir, like as you
Okay.
suggested that day. Permutation and combination.
Okay.
I have completed that, sir, but I haven't started probability statistics yet.
Okay. I hope others are also listening properly what is going on. Okay, then I will jump to Arpita is here. Arpita, how's your preparation going? अर्पिता?
हेलो सर, गुड इवनिंग सर।
गुड इवनिंग अर्पिता, कैसी हो तुम? सब बढ़िया?
सर सब ठीक है।
वेरी गुड। प्रिपरेशन कैसी है?
सर राइट नाउ तो अगर मैं कहूँ तो सर स्ट्रक्चर्स का जो बेंडिंग के बाद से जो भी सिलेबस था वो मैंने अभी छोड़ दिया है, मतलब मैं इसको देख नहीं रही हूँ। रेस्ट जो प्रोपल्शन है इट इज डन, ओनली रिवीजन पार्ट, मतलब एक बार रिवाइज करना प्रॉपरली इज नेसेसरी। आई थिंक मेरे को लग रहा है वो जरूरत है। रेस्ट फ्लाइट मैकेनिक्स हो चुका है सर, स्टेबिलिटी भी हो चुकी है उसकी, और मैथ्स में इट इज लैगिंग बिकॉज सर ठीक है मैथ्स का मैंने कर लिया है मेजर पोर्शन कवर, बट व्हाट इज दैट प्रैक्टिस इज लैगिंग। सो उसमें प्रैक्टिस बची हुई है। और बाकी एरोडायनामिक्स हो चुकी है, पोटेंशियल फ्लो में थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है बिकॉज आई फील कि वहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस प्रॉपरली नहीं हो रही है। एंड बाकी स्पेस और रॉकेट में ठीक है सर, लेकिन रॉकेट प्रोपल्शन में बीच में रॉकेट प्रोपल्शन का जो थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट है वो बचा हुआ है अभी, जो आपने बोला था ना कि पढ़ लेना, वो बचा हुआ है थोड़ा सा।
अच्छा, तो तुम कितना टाइम दे पा रही हो एक दिन में, क्योंकि सिलेबस अभी बचा हुआ है करने के लिए तुम्हारा?
सर अभी तो फुल डे में दे देती हूँ, लाइक आई वेक अप टिल 6 to 7 मैं सुबह तक सोती हूँ, तो तब तक तो मैं पूरा पढ़ लेती हूँ।
ओके, लेट नाइट स्टडी कर रही हो? हाँ, तुम्हारा अभी रिसेंटली एक मैसेज आया था अर्ली मॉर्निंग, आई थिंक अराउंड 3:30 और 4 को मैसेज आया था, राइट? तो हमको लगा कि तुम लेट नाइट पढ़ाई कर रही हो। ठीक है, किसी भी टाइम पढ़ो, मतलब काफ़ी इनपुट दे रही हो तो सिलेबस मेरे ख्याल से 10-12 दिन में हो जाएगा, राइट? ठीक है, वेरी गुड। तो ठीक है, मतलब अभी तुम्हारा थोड़ा काम बाकी है, इसका मतलब थोड़ा सा काम तुमको
हाँ सर, मैं सोच रही हूँ स्ट्रक्चर्स पे अभी ध्यान देना, मतलब दूँ या फिर इट इज बेटर कि मैंने जो सब्जेक्ट्स लिए वो से रहे।
सी वन गोल्डन एडवाइस, whatever you can cover you must cover, even though if you have lack of time remaining, at least cover the formula, because golden advice is we don't know that from which corner easy question will appear, and suppose you are completely neglecting any corner, and unfortunately if easy problem is appearing from that corner, then others will be able to do and we'll be able to we'll be losing that. So I will suggest you for complete, but one more thing, if something is in half, complete that part. It's not like half. Yeah, suppose you have any personal plan now, you are following that plan, and in that plan the remaining part of a structure is not included, then don't do that part. You follow your plan, whatever discipline you have made for you as a self-discipline plan, you follow that. But I will tell you, little bit time you find somewhat that you should cover that portion. Like suppose you are studying for 10 hours, then either you study for 9 hours and 1 hour you give for remaining portion, or you study for 11 hours. Okay, one advice from my side, guys. Right now you should also bother about your memory. Your memory should work very well in exam hall. It's not like you should be able to like recall and things are not coming in your mind, any formula. So every day you write down formulas, and you should know that which formula you will forget in exam. That formula you keep with you and take till your exam hall. So you should know that which formula you are going to forget. Right now, if I'll ask which formula you are not able to recall, many of you may not be answer, because you have not practiced entire 100% formula. So formula part should be very, very strong, and sleep well, because sleep is very, very important. In this 25 days are there. In this 25 days, you manage, you control everything. In that, sleep is very important. If you will sleep for 3 hours, 4 hours, then definitely in exam hall, it will affect your exam. Okay, Arpita, now I'm going to Banani. Banani, how are you?
Yes, sir. I'm good, sir.
Very good. Banani, preparation कैसी है? How's the preparation?
So I went missing for a few weeks, sir. So I can't comment anything like that.
Okay.
I did the formulas and I did the test papers, the subject wise. So that is all actually.
Okay. But your syllabus is done, right? You have done syllabus?
Sir, yeah, that is done, sir. But maths is left, sir.
Okay, so fine. Math is fine. See, one more thing. Some small videos I am recording and uploading nowadays. In those videos, I am talking very genuinely what to do, what not to do for self-study students, whoever are following YouTube videos. So even those advices may be helpful for you. So in free time, you guys watch that also. So Banani, you should solve a full-length test series also. I mean, not only Banani,
Yes.
everyone should solve full-length test series. And after submitting the question paper, you will be having solution written. Read that solution and discuss with me. Some students are there, they are scoring really very, very good. They are going 80 plus. And some students, they are still below 20 in full-length test series. Some students are ready-made, like they are only touching 40, 40, 42, 41, 39, 48, 40, like that, this kind of range. So only few students are there, they are crossing 80 plus in the test series. So full-length test series is very, very important. And one more thing, if you are scoring bad in my test series, it does not mean that you will score bad in main exam also. And if you are scoring very good in my test series, like 80 plus, it does not mean that in exam hall you will score 80 plus. Because of my past experiences, some students were scoring 70 plus in all the test series, but in main gate exam, they got just 32, 35, 29, these kind of marks. And some students who were scoring 45 in my test series, they scored 45 in exam hall also. Okay, fine. After Banani, I will... Banani, anything you want to discuss from your side? I mean, any...
Not now, sir. I'll talk to you, sir.
You all are welcomed anytime on personal call, like we are doing always. No problem. WhatsApp chat, WhatsApp call. I asked for this meeting so that everyone will talk to each other and will be having somewhat idea that how others are doing. I'll go to Ishika now. Ishika, how's the preparation?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
सर प्रिपरेशन तो अभी अच्छी चल रही है.
But you are sounding very low.
So actually today I'm not well. I'm running a high fever, like today only. But otherwise
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So preparation अच्छी चल रही है. What is your test series health?
सर टेस्ट सीरीज तो अभी सारी कंप्लीट हो गई, लेकिन फुल लेंथ बची है. सिर्फ फुल लेंथ टेस्ट सीरीज रह गई मेरी.
ठीक है.
अदरवाइज टॉपिक वाइज और सब्जेक्ट वाइज तो कंप्लीट होगी सारी.
हाँ.
और सर मैथ्स में जो 4 यूनिट्स आपने बोले थे, वेक्टर, न्यूमेरिकल, लीनियर और लैप्लास, वो चारों कंप्लीट हो गए.
ठीक है.
लेकिन
मतलब सब ठीक जा रहा है.
मैथ्स में लेकिन सर मैथ्स में प्रैक्टिस नहीं हो पाई. लेकिन आपके जो लेक्चर्स थे वो कंप्लीट हो गए, ये 4 चैप्टर्स के.
ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. सो मतलब आई एम कंफर्टेबल.
यस सर.
हाँ, मतलब तुम्हारी बात सुन के कंफर्टेबल फील हो रहा है कि चलो ठीक है, तुम ठीक हो, प्रिपरेशन ठीक है तुम्हारी.
यस सर लेकिन जो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस है इंटीग्रेशन वाला पार्ट वो बहुत लेंथी लग रहा मेरे को, तो वो
तो
अभी
कोई
मैंने
बात
नहीं
नहीं,
किया
कोई बात
कुछ।
नहीं, सुनो, उसमें 8 से 10 क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस कर लो और उन 8 से 10 क्वेश्चंस को 2 बार 3 बार देख लेना, क्योंकि आई एम सॉरी, उन्हीं 8 से 10 क्वेश्चंस को दोबारा देख लेना। जो चीज अभी डिस्टर्ब कर रही है, इफ यू आर फीलिंग दैट समथिंग इज डिस्टर्बिंग यू और समथिंग इज बीइंग लेंदी नाउ, you keep one thing in mind, you have only 25 days. So in these 25 days, at least you should have wrap up plan that's all done. Because if you will keep on doing, that is not our approach. Our approach is whatever we have done, we should be able to solve in exam hall. If you are solving PDE, you should be able to solve PD problem. If you are solving Laplace, you should be able to solve Laplace. So idea is, if something is disturbing you or you are feeling that it's lengthy, avoid that completely, because we are not remaining with 3-4 months. Strictly avoid.
सर मैथ्स में तो सिर्फ इंटीग्रेशन और वो कॉम्प्लेक्स एनालिसिस वाला पार्ट ही रह गया, बाकी सारा कंप्लीट हो गया मैथ्स।
ठीक है।
और सर बाकी तो पुल एंड टेस्ट सीरीज बची है मेरी बस। और
एंड स्पेशल एडवाइस टू एवरीवन, just now I got the idea. Numerical technique everyone should do. No one should leave numerical technique. That is also known as numerical methods. In that you have to find out roots, numerical differentiation, numerical integration, right? Okay. Yes. Complete, Ishika. You were saying something.
So in PYQs like जो structure के questions हैं और कुछ aerodynamics के questions ऐसे आ जाते हैं जो मतलब मेरे को concept अच्छे से पता है, formula पता है, लेकिन वो PYQs मेरे से हुए नहीं। स्ट्रक्चर और एरोडायनेमिक्स के कुछ मतलब स्ट्रक्चर में तो मेरे को थोड़ी ज्यादा वो होती है, एरोडायनेमिक्स में कुछ ही क्वेश्चंस थे जो मेरे को डिफिकल्ट लग रहे थे, बाकी सब हो जाते हैं। फ्लाइट मैकेनिक्स और प्रोपल्शन तो हो गए काफी हद तक।
Okay, so it sounds like you are also comfortable. Then all of you, if you'll be having any personal problem, contact me again. Tomorrow also we can discuss like this. Now I am going to Karan. Preparation कैसी है? How's the preparation?
Yeah sir, currently I am going with test series topic wise. Then this completed, then I will join
Okay,
full length.
Okay, so preparation part is done. You are now practicing test series, right?
Yeah, practicing topic wise test series and revising also.
Okay, good. Very good. I know that your preparation is good because you are constantly in touch on WhatsApp. So good. But then okay, I'll go to Nagu. Nagu, how are you?
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay, so your preparation is also done and you are solving test series. I know you are asking regular questions on WhatsApp.
Sir, still my subject is with band and cities.
But today you asked one, I think you only asked, right, about minimum drag condition.
Minimum drag. I thought it was minimum coefficient of drag.
No man, be very cautious. If you know any topic, in that topic you should not do mistake. Okay.
No, sir. I confuse a lot, sir. Means by English only it is mistake.
Oh, because of English. Okay. No problem, man. Even when I came to Chennai from Uttar Pradesh, my background was completely Hindi. In my first semester, I had back paper, I think in electrical or something. So English problem is there with some students, like it was with me also. Fine, we have to pay that loss because of English if our English is weak. It's fine. Otherwise, I know you are constantly in touch. You are also doing good. Fine. Pranal, how are you?
Yes, sir, I am.
Yes, Pranal, you are also discussing test series now. So it seems like, because you also said on WhatsApp that your preparation is really good and now you're able to understand the structure also. Things are going well. So have you finished entire test series?
No, sir, in the structure, sir, I have done, as you have told, that torsion, bending and elasticity.
हाँ.
Then I have told you that I am not getting confidence in structure.
Okay.
That's why. Then you have told me to do SK bundle questions, so I have done that.
Very good, very good, very good.
And I'm solving some test series, and I have done all PYQs right now.
Okay, good. So currently you are only solving test series, right?
Yeah.
Good. In a day, how many test series you are solving? 4 to 5?
5.
5 test series? Very good, very good, very good. Good. Okay, good.
Yes, sir. And
Yes?
सर वो लास्ट में जो डायरेक्शनल स्टेबिलिटी के क्वेश्चन थे उसमें थोड़े प्रॉब्लम आ रहे थे, जैसे वो एक तो वो जो फुगॉइड मोशन का था सर, वो
हम लोग इस तरह के जो क्वेश्चन में डाउट आ रहे हैं ना, या किसी क्वेश्चन में डाउट है, या किसी टॉपिक में डाउट है, अगर पर्सनल डाउट है, वो हम लोग कॉल पे डिस्कस कर लेंगे. ठीक है, हमको व्हाट्सएप करो, अपना डाउट बताओ, उसको हम लोग कॉल पे डिस्कस करेंगे. सो यू कुड हैव आस्क्ड राइट दोस डाउट्स. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Yes. Okay, fine. Then I will move to Priya. Priya, how are you?
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
सर मेरा तो प्रोपल्शन खत्म हो गया है, रॉकेट प्रोपल्शन और स्पेस डायनामिक्स और एरोडायनामिक्स, और बस मैथ्स के टॉपिक पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएशन बचा है और लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन.
Okay.
सॉरी, लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म और स्ट्रक्चर रिवाइज करना बचा है.
ओके, स्ट्रक्चर का रिवीजन बाकी है. ओके, मतलब बाकी सब ठीक ठाक है, बाकी सब का रिवीजन.
पीवाईक्यूज जो सब्जेक्ट हो गए हैं उसके पीवाईक्यूज भी हो चुके हैं.
ओके, वेरी गुड. और फुल लेंथ टेस्ट सीरीज दी हो?
नहीं सर, वही दूंगी मैं 2021 के बाद, मतलब जब पूरा स्ट्रक्चर रिवाइज हो जाएगा उसके बाद करूंगी.
ओके, गुड, वेरी गुड. ठीक है, तुम्हारा तो मैसेज आता रहता है. ठीक है.
Yes,
ठीक है. नाउ आई हैव प्रियांशु, आई हैव टॉक्ड विथ यू राइट जस्ट नाउ?
यस सर.
ओके, सो नाउ
नहीं, मतलब सर आज नहीं हुआ सर.
आज नहीं हुआ. Okay. Priyanshu, now you say how are you and how's your preparation?
Yes sir, I'm good, and sir, most of the subjects are complete. No lag and nothing. But sir, I'm like morning I'm waking up and then I'm revising all the formulas. Then I'm doing a test series and then some theory reading and all those PDFs and all. So theory part. So that I'm trying to revise again and again.
Okay.
So basically revision ही चल रहा है.
Okay.
और थोड़ा सा मतलब कभी वो मतलब कॉन्सेप्ट रिलेटेड उतना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता, लेकिन एक फॉर्मूला मेमोराइजेशन और एक थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस अप डाउन.
चलो ठीक है, फिर ये तो गुड न्यूज है कि तुम्हारी प्रिपरेशन अच्छी है. ओके, सो दिस ईयर आई फाउंड Rajat's doubt is at next level. Rajat used to ask, sometimes his doubts used to be like very cute and sometimes very logical. Like I never say that doubts are silly doubts. Sometimes doubts used to be very cute, very childish doubt. So Rajat, how's your preparation?
Jai Shri Ram, sir.
Jai Shri Ram.
First of all, sir, congratulations everybody for opening the Ram Mandir.
Congratulations to all. Yeah. Go ahead, Rajat.
Yeah, to also. Actually, thank you, bro. Sir, actually, yesterday हमारी बात हुई थी तो मैंने बताया था स्ट्रक्चर की जैसे कॉन्फिडेंस राउंड जा रहा है, उसमें थोड़े न्यूमेरिकल्स वगैरह कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, बट फॉर्मूलाज वगैरह सारे याद हैं. तो आज वापसी जिनमें स्ट्रॉन्ग था अपना फ्लाइट्स मैकेनिक, एरोडायनेमिक्स, प्रपल्शंस, ये सारा क्या है, गेट अगेन सेम कॉन्फिडेंस.
वेरी गुड. तो
सर बट यही है कि सर अभी थोड़ा कुछ टॉपिक्स अभी पता चलेगा डिस्कशन में कि जो मैंने कवर ही नहीं की है. जैसे सर वो अभी पता था कि रॉकेट्स के आपने कोई बुक बोली थी उसमें पढ़ी हो, मैंने अभी तक पढ़ी नहीं है. तो आज रात को वो करूंगा फिर बैठ के. और बाकी सर जो मैथ्स में मेरा इंटीग्रेशन भी कवर हो चुका है, डेरिवेटिव भी कवर हो चुका है, मैट्रिक्स भी कवर हो चुका है, और अभी वेक्टर रहता है वो मैंने कर देना है. मतलब 20 से पहले मैंने वाइंड अप सारा खत्म कर देना.
ओके.
बाकी सर जो प्रपल्शन में मेरे को आज जो हो रहा था, मैं थोड़ा बहुत जैसे इनमें वही चाइल्डिश डाउट ही है सर, वो दोबारा वो कि मतलब टोटल टेम्परेचर वगैरह, टेम्परेचर जैसे हम फॉर्मूले वगैरह में पुट करते हैं, कई बारी टोटल और स्टैटिक में डिफरेंस मतलब फर्क हो ही जा रहा है थोड़ा
और
एनालाइज करने में। जैसे सर एम्बिएंट टेम्परेचर हो गया,
तुमको पता है रजत,
नॉर्मल वो हाँ जी,
तुमको पता है फ्रॉम कॉन्सेप्ट लाइब्रेरी योर सिलेक्शन is there or not, I don't know. You will become IITian or not, I don't know. But one thing is damn sure, your propulsion concepts are going to be superb, and you should not have doubts in total temperature, static temperature, and if you have
सर फॉर्मूले सारे याद है, फॉर्मूले सारे वगैरह, मतलब जब क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करता हूँ ना तो मतलब उसमें से थोड़ा एनालाइज करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है कि जैसे स्टेशनरी वगैरह उसमें प्रॉब्लम हो रही है सर। जैसे कंबशन के अंदर तो टोटल टेम्परेचर ही रहेगी, सारी टोटल प्रॉपर्टीज रहेगी।
तुमसे हम बताए थे ना जब लेक्चर ले रहे थे तो कि कहाँ से कहाँ टर्न होने के बाद हम लोग सिर्फ टोटल में ही बात करते हैं। एनीवे ठीक है, अगर ऐसे डाउट्स है ना तो हमसे एक बार कॉल पे बात करो फिर से, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
इस चीज को हम रिवाइज करवा देंगे पर्सनली, क्योंकि सी आई नीड टू नो दैट विच पार्ट इज रियली डिस्टर्बिंग यू, सो दैट पार्ट इफ आई विल टेक केयर सेपरेटली फॉर 5 minutes call, 10 minutes call, so that problem will not be there further, okay, to all of you. And see, in our WhatsApp group roughly 100 students are there, 96, 98 something, and on this kind of meeting only 12, 13 students are coming. So anyway, it was a very good, I think it is a healthy session, so we'll stop the session, and students who have not joined this, I will share this video with them so that even they can have this idea that whatever we have discussed. And see, don't worry for anything, whatever is there you keep learning, keep learning, keep learning, and few more ideas are there. I will discuss that idea in separate video. That video I will especially make for my coaching center students, and because here no need to discuss ideas because already 36 minutes got over and it will be a very lengthy meeting then. Thank you all for joining tonight, and let's continue on WhatsApp. Yes,
मैं एक बात बोलना चाहूँगा सर,
बोलो
जाने से पहले।
बोलो
सर, मेरी बीटेक कंप्लीट हो गई एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग में, बट मेरे को बीटेक कंप्लीट होगी पता नहीं, बट मेरे को कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं थे। बट जब कोचिंग स्टार्ट किया मेरे को लगता है कि मैंने एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग अब की है सर में। 4 साल मैंने वेस्ट किए, 1 साल के अंदर मैंने काफी कुछ हो गया सर। तो मैं खुद को कह सकता हूँ कि मैं एक एरोस्पेस इंजीनियर हूँ, इतनी नॉलेज रखता हूँ मैं।
क्या बात है। सो आई हैव पेड
सर, थैंक यू सर आपकी।
अरे थैंक यू, आई हैव पेड 10,000 rupees to Rajat to say this sentence.
नो सर, सीरियसली सर, मेरे को बिल्कुल भी मतलब DRDO में भी गया था, मेरे को खुद पे इतना वो होता था कि मेरे को कुछ नॉलेज नहीं और मैंने बीटेक कर दिया। बट सीरियसली सर, थैंक यू सर, मेरे को काफी नॉलेज है अपनी फील्ड की।
थैंक्स मैन, थैंक्स। See, that's what I was about to say ki thank you again. You trusted in me, man. Not for gate rank, you trusted me for concept. That's what I used to say that, okay, rank and all, everything will come if you have right knowledge. Everything will come if you have right knowledge. Who is getting top 10 rank, top 100 rank, they have knowledge, that's why they are getting the ranks. Okay, and definitely you will go to IIT Rajat. Definitely you will go to IIT. Everyone sitting here. Okay.
सर, आपकी स्ट्रीक भी नहीं टूटने दूंगा सर, प्रॉमिस किया मैंने आपके साथ चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी वाली।
चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी से हर साल कोई ना कोई IIT बॉम्बे जाता है और इस बार भी जाना चाहिए।
वो मैं तोड़ने नहीं दूंगा सर, मैं करूंगा सर।
गुड गुड गुड। ओके देन, विल स्टॉप द मीटिंग। थैंक यू ऑल।